Hey guys, so one thing, Tropical Storm Priscilla has just formed. Is 40. The sustained winds are 40 miles per hour, moving north at 6 to 7 miles per hour. It is 1,004 millibars, or like 29.1 inches of pressure. It is 7 a.m. Central Standard Time, or kind of where like Houston is, Chicago, Manzanillo, Mexico City, around that area. Of this, the degrees are 17.8 north and 104.0 west. Those are the coordinates. It is 99.4 miles from Tacoma, Man. This one is supposed to be an A. Sorry, Mexico. 114.9 miles from Manzanillo, Mexico. 67.1 miles from Punta, Telmo, Mexico, and 163.4 miles from Playa, Punta, Perula, Jalisco, Mexico. So there is a tropical storm warning in effect from Punta Telmo to Playa, Punta, Perula, Jalisco, Mexico. There is one from that area. On a map, I don't have it, but I don't have it. But one thing I will be putting up near Johnny Pula and Bualoi on this channel in about an hour, and then probably the other one in about an hour from when I upload this video. So yeah, I think that I have to wrap up this video. Make sure to hit that like, leave a like, subscribe, and hit that little bell, bing. Well, one thing, if you guys comment down below or like all the funds of every single hurricane video or every single bad video, well, weather related, will go to hurricane relief of American Red Cross. I will leave all the American Red Cross stuff down below, so if you want to donate, you don't have to do the blood. You just have to donate like $1 or $2, $1 or $2, to just help hurricane relief, help any storm relief. And yeah,